Have you ever wondered if kindness really comes back to us? This story from long ago will show you why every selfless act matters. In a small village lived a man named Mohan. His family was very simple. They had a small house, and Mohan worked day and night to earn a living. Though his life was modest, Mohan had a heart full of generosity. He was always ready to help others, and the entire village respected his honesty and kindness. While working in the fields, if a hungry dog passed by, he would feed it from his tiffin without a second thought. If a traveler was tired and hungry, Mohan would even give away his own food. But his wife, Sunita, often grew upset. She would say, "Because of your generosity, our kitchen is always empty. You must think of yourself too." Mohan would only smile and reply, "Sunita, a hungry stomach is the worst enemy. If we can help someone, why shouldn't we? God sees everything." One afternoon, as Mohan rested, a weak voice called out from the door. An old sage stood there, looking tired, hungry, and worn out. Sunita peeked through the window and muttered, "Now he's here too. Soon the kitchen will be empty again." Mohan ignored her words and went to welcome the sage. He offered him water, which the old man drank gratefully. Then the sage whispered, "Son, I haven't eaten in 2 days. If you can spare some food, I would be truly grateful." Mohan rushed to the kitchen. There were only 2 rotis left, his lunch. Without hesitation, he picked them up. But Sunita stopped him angrily, "What are you doing? These rotis are for you. If you give them away, what will you eat? That sage can go elsewhere, but where will we go to beg?" Mohan gently replied, "A hungry stomach cannot wait. This Baba hasn't eaten in 2 days. If we don't feed him, what will happen to him? God will make arrangements for us." Ignoring her protests, Mohan placed the rotis before the sage. "Baba, please eat. This is the best food we have." The sage ate silently, drank water, and sat in peace. After some time, he stood up to leave. Calling Mohan close, he pulled out a shining golden bowl from his bag and handed it to him. Mohan was shocked. "Baba, I can't take this. It belongs to you." The sage smiled. "Son, a king gave me this bowl as alms, but I had no use for it. I was waiting to give it to someone worthy. Today, I found you. This is the fruit of your good deeds. Remember, karma is true dharma. You gave without expecting anything in return, and God always rewards at the right time. Your kindness will bring peace not only to you but to your family. Keep this bowl, but let it only remind you that God values good actions, never let it change your heart." With those words, the sage walked away. Mohan stood holding the bowl, tears of joy filling his eyes. He promised himself that no matter what, he would always help others. Friends, karma is the truest religion. Those who do good without expecting reward will always be blessed by God. Never step back from doing what is right.